Jennifer Hinton, you have been elected to serve 1 year as president-elect and will be installed in 2023 as president of the association for 1 year, after which you will serve as past president for 1 year. Jennifer, your colleagues have elected you to the second highest office of the American Therapeutic Recreation Association. Your responsibilities are to acquire a thorough understanding of the Constitution, bylaws, and business of the association, and to assist the president and to preside and perform the duties of the president in their absence. Your role is critical to the future of this association and as you will assume the office of president during the second year of your term. Jennifer, please raise your right hand and prepare for the oath of office as the president-elect of the American Therapeutic Recreation Association. Do you swear to assume your responsibilities as president-elect of the association, to acquire a thorough understanding of the Constitution, bylaws, and business, and actively execute the purposes of the association, to assist the president in the conduct of business, to preside and perform duties of the president in their absence, and to uphold the highest standards of professional conduct as an elected officer of the American Therapeutic Recreation Association? If so, please say, I do.
I will.
I congratulate you and present you to the board and the members of the association.